大家好，我係 Fion. Hello everyone, my name is Fion. I'm a mature student as well as an international student. As a mature student, returning to the college after being out of school for 10 years is a challenge. I think some of you are in the same situation as me. You are not only a full-time student, but also a full-time wife or mom. Managing your time effectively can be crucial. Luckily, the professor and staff at St. Lawrence College were incredibly supportive and helped me to manage my time and balance work and life. I also find that it is helpful to use the academic support service at St. Lawrence College that helped me become more efficient and effective in my studies. So don't be afraid to ask for help and support when you need it. My advice for other mature students who are returning to the college while struggling multiple responsibilities, don't let fear and doubts become a barrier to achieve your goals. This may involve taking risks and stepping outside the comfort zone, but the reward can be life-changing. 加油！